Hello everybody, it's Derek Freeze, and today I'm going to be making a video of my 2014 tap-in central air conditioner made by Nordyne. It's just a rebadge. There's plenty of these around here. I've seen them rebadged as Kelvinator, Newtone, Air Temp, and I think a few others. There's actually a Kelvinator unit on my street that looks like this. And then there's another Kelvinator a few blocks over, and then there's a few air temps that look like this. Actually, a house over that way that has an old air temp from, I think, the same period, which looks exactly like this, except it's white. So here's a look at this. It has a broad ocean fan motor and a Copeland scroll compressor, if I remember right. Yep, Copeland scroll. I honestly kind of forgot what the compressor was. It's in this micro channel, which kind of sucks. At least these ones are not as bad as the Yorks. People like to bash these for the micro channel, but there's a lot of these units around here, and I've not really seen many of them go out. I've seen a few of these Nordynes get replaced, but those were a lot of the early 2000s units that had that did not have micro channel. Here's the filter dryer. Disconnect. So I'm gonna go walk inside, activate the unit with the thermostat. I have the dry pod here. Right up there's the air temp window unit running. It's condensating. It's actually the only unit that we're using. I decided to just run out, want to save some energy. The downstairs is pretty cold. My dad likes to deep freeze the house. As of right now, there's band practice going on, so that's what the drums are going on. So bring the camera right here. I think I can just get it positioned, and then we'll turn it on. And I absolutely love that logo. This unit has a really nice startup sound to it. Really quiet too. It's already blowing out heat. I know a lot of people like to bash these units because they're kind of cheaply made, but there is a few things on them that I like. One of them I will mention is it has the plastic base pan. I think that's something that they took from Rheem. I'm not sure if Nordyne was doing this before Rheem. Actually, yeah, Nordyne was doing this before Rheem because they started doing this in the mid-2000s. Those Rheems were made during the same time. That one in particular is branded as Wetter King, but it's the same thing. Feels really good. Here's an up-close look at the logo. It's kind of starting to fade. It's on two pads. There's a pad on the bottom and then another pad on the top of it, both of which are plastic pads. It is leveled somehow. For a while I thought it was starting to like lean over towards this side, but it's not. I did level it. I did check the level on it the other day. I think there was another unit here before, but I'm not sure. I honestly was looking at the house and I think Central was added at some point in time. I don't really know what the old unit is because I tried going on Google Street View and there used to be a big tree right over there. So I couldn't necessarily see what the unit was that was here back in the day. So there's the tap-in going. Right up there's the air temp. If you go up to the front, you'll see the custom painted Frigidaire. which is off. That one has shot bearings. I might possibly be putting that Panasonic up there, that 8K Panasonic that's in my garage, but I don't know. If I can find another 8K that can fit that, that's actually in good condition, I truly will put that up there. So we'll go inside and have a look. I may or may not show you the air handler. The air handler is an air temp. And that one was put in 2017 when we moved in. Of course, it has Duracell. Of course, they start to sound better when I go upstairs. Ugh. Here's the air temp. It's a bit beat up, but it is working. One of the vents. There's another vent in here. Here's the air handler. This one's actually from 2016. I thought this was from 2017. It's a few years, there's a few year difference between the condenser. Nice and cold. Actually, I'll close that so it gets colder upstairs. Nothing really interesting to show here because everything's all enclosed. Seems spin down's really good. There it is. Here's the data. Anyone that is curious. It's just here. About to have a storm coming in. So thank you very much for watching and keep the breeze. And this is the unit that's responsible for pretty much cooling the basement, the whole first floor, and the other bedrooms up there, and even my bedroom where that the air temp covers. So this thing has a good bit of work set out for it.